How to set up a successful Facebook business page. In today's video, we'll be understanding why you need a Facebook business page, the step-by-step process for you to have an effective one for you to be able to convert sale and reach your audience. There are so many videos on how to set up your Facebook business page online, but in today's video, I want you to understand that in this video, you're going to be going to in-depth ways for you to set it up for your page to be able to convert sale and to reach the right customers you need for your business. But before we go into today's video, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button. I'd like you to turn on your notification bell for you to be able to see more videos we'll be bringing to you. Then you can drop a comment on any video you want us to bring for you that can help your business grow effectively.
I don't know what to do. Please subscribe.
First of all, we need to understand, why do you need a Facebook business page? Facebook is one of the most successful and effective social media platforms that you can reach your customers because it has over 2 billion subscribers, and this is a large amount of people that you can reach. And Facebook algorithm favors you when you are able to have a very good Facebook business page, set it up properly, and when you start running your ad, it gives you that leverage you need. So one of the reasons why you need a Facebook business page is because as a business owner, you need a platform and a space where your customers can see you. So your page is where you can post things about your product and you can also run ads on it. Now, I keep using the word ad. One of the most effective reasons why people even need a Facebook business page is because you need to be able to run campaigns under your page. We have 3 different types of Facebook categories. Is that you have your own personal page, which is what most of us have, and before you be able to run ads or have a page on it, you need to have your personal page because that is what you use to create your Facebook page. So the page is where is more like your platform as a business owner, and you can even, as a content creator or a public person, you can also have your own page. But now group is whereby you have a platform that you have different people on the platform that you communicate together, probably are in the same niche, you share experience together, is also a very good one. But in today's video, we'll be streamlining it to what we need, which is what? A Facebook business page. So now the 2 key reasons why you need a Facebook business page is for you to be able to post things about your business and for you to be able to run adverts on your page. Now, I keep using the word advert. I want you to understand that there are 2 types of audiences you can have. We call one the organic audience and we call the other one the inorganic audience. So now, the organic audience are people that know your business already, or they know what you are doing, and they are following you because they know you, they love what you are doing. But now the inorganic audience are people that you can reach through doing sponsored adverts. These are people that don't know you before, but you need to do campaigns. That's why when you go on some platform, you see some adverts that pop up on your phone, or when you're using any social media platform, you see the tag sponsored. Those are called the inorganic adverts. These are the audiences that you reach by trying to do sponsored advert to reach this audience. So that is why you need a Facebook business page. Jumping into how to set up a Facebook business page, there are 3 things I want you to have before we go into this video. Number 1, make sure you have your personal Facebook account that you have opened before that you want to link, because Facebook at some point when you're running your Facebook business page, they do some verification. They might ask you for your ID, they might ask you for any means of identification, so they need a personal account to link into the Facebook page. That is the first thing. Now the second thing you need to have too is, I want you to understand the business you want to do. So have the name of your business that you want to do already, your description about the business, and the category the business fall into. For example, if you are selling, if you're online store now that you sell things online, it might just be online service or grocery stores online, make sure you understand the category you are jumping into. And another thing I want you to have is all the basic detail you need about your business, like your address, your phone number that you want to connect to your WhatsApp. Once all these are all ready, we can jump into my screen now and see how to properly set up a Facebook business page. If you have any questions, just drop it down in the comment section and I'm very sure I'm going to attend to you. And once again, hit the subscribe button, turn off your notification bell, and give this video a thumb up if you feel you've learned something in this video. So before further ado, let's just jump into the video and see how to properly set up your Facebook business page. You can do this either on your phone Or better still, I advise people when you mean business, when you know you really need your Facebook business page to make profit, you can do it on the system. You'll be able to explore so many features of the Facebook business page. This is my personal Facebook account. For you to be able to locate where your page is, just come to the left side of the screen where you have your picture icon, as you can see on my screen. Then you click down to see more. Then you can scroll down. You see where you have pages. You can see pages here. So it depends on how the time you subscribe for Facebook. You see pages here. Then from pages, these are some of the ones I've created before and the pages I manage. But for you that are just starting out, just click on create new page here. Then the first thing you see on the left side of your screen is going to be your page name. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to use that. I'll use business media box tutorial. Now we can see that it gives me the tick mark, meaning that the name is accepted. If you are using a name that's already used by another brand, you see that it's going to flag it. You won't have this tick mark. And every changes I'm doing on the left side of my screen, you can see it's taking effect on the right side. So now this category means what is the niche of your product. So let's say, for example, I'm into tutorials, so I'm just going to put trainings. I'm just going to put trainings. So we can see computer training is a little bit related. You can put just 3 categories here. Let's say online service, so digital social media agency, and then let me just put media, so we can see maybe media agency. So if I try putting something else now, you can see it's flagging in red because you can't have just more than 3 categories what Facebook has given you. Now for this side of your bio, why you're trying to create your bio, I told you these are the things you've gotten before. Then you can also get an idea from ChatGPT. It's also a good source for you to get an idea about your bio. Just say, suggest to me the kind of bio I can use for whichever niche you're into. So let's just say we train people across the world on media. So let's say that's going to be my bio. You can put any other link, probably an hashtag, but I think you can have more than just 120 or 130 word thereabout. Then you hit create page. So you're going to leave Facebook for you to load. It's trying to look at all the details you put into it. Then once your page is created, boom. So now the page is created. Then if you have a website before now, you can put your URL here, which is, let's just say let's just put my own URL, which is www. I'd like you all to also visit this website. You have so many information about Business Media Box. So businessmediabox.com. Then depending on where you are across the globe, I'm currently in the UK. So let's say this is UK. I'm just going to put United Kingdom. So United Kingdom, you put your number, whichever number, if you're in Nigeria or if you're in US, whatever, just put your number here. Then you go down to your email. So you put the company's email, you put the company's address, then you put the city you are in. Then if you have a physical store, you can put your postcode. It's very good for you. Then each of the changes you are making here is going to be adding to your page health, so you can see your score here. Because I've not added so many details, my page health is telling me fair for now. Then you can put your number of hours. If you're always open, just click on always open. If you have some hours that you open, just put it there. This is very good because when you also do your Google My Business, there's going to be another video on that. Just keep following our channel that I'm going to show you how to open your Google Your Business. So if you have a local store, people around your local store or your business can be able to see you. Then you go to next. So I'm not just going to put so many details because I don't have that. So now it's asking me to put a number. I'm just going to put a dummy number there. So let me just, whatever, if you're not doing anything right, it's going to flag it for you. So you can see it has given me a tick now. So those are some of the things you look out for. Then I click on next. Now it's asking me to add a profile picture. So you can just go on, I'm just going to put this profile picture for now. So it's going to load it up for you. Then you can click here to have your cover picture. So you're just trying to load. You just wait for it to load. Then boom, is there. We can say it's looking now very pretty. Then your cover photo is like the picture that is going to be beneath where your profile picture is. You're going to see now it's just trying to load. So see how beautiful my page is already coming up. It's already looking so attractive for my customers. Then now this add action button is very key, and I want you to listen to this part of this video now. So many content creators just keep this part, but I want you to listen now. All these things are called the CTA, which is the full meaning is call to action button. So now it depends on what you are selling. If you want people, probably you are a consultancy firm and you need people to book you, make sure you click book now. Sign up if you have an academy, you want people to sign up for something. If you are a restaurant and you want people to speak their order, you have a shop, you want people to view your products, probably you are into events and you want people to get tickets. If you want people to send message to you directly, that through your Facebook Messenger. Now we know we have two different type of place that customers can message that. You go through your Facebook Messenger or you go through your WhatsApp Messenger. So now if you want people to chat to you directly on your WhatsApp, if you have a WhatsApp business, but for you to use this feature, you must have a WhatsApp business, not just WhatsApp. Then if you want people to call you directly, if you want people to send you email, or if you want people to just get your contact, if you want to link them to any of this group, these are. So for this, I'm just gonna go straight into, I'll be using send message to my Facebook Messenger. So once I click that, I can scroll down and click next. So it's telling me should I send message to this, which is the business media box I've created. So I'm just going to click save. Then boom, I'm already halfway done. Then I click on next. So let's just wait while the page load. And so you can see my page out is increasing. It's telling me good, but it's still asking for my number. So make sure your number is there. Then I'm just going to skip this, and this is very interesting because when you have a Facebook page, you don't have followers, but the followers you already have on your personal account is a very good way for you to kickstart. So if you click on invite friends, all your friends are going to see this new page, and there's everything they see. They follow you because they know you before now. Then on Facebook page, when people follow you, is the same thing as your followers. So when people like your page, is equivalent to people that are following you. There's difference between page like and post like. So when people like your page is what we call the page like. But when you make a post and people like your post is what we call the post like. So I'm just going to skip this, and probably some of my friends, it's telling me to turn off some notification, probably when people view my profile or people see what I do, they want to just check. So these are the notifications bell. That I'm just going to hit the done button. Then I have my page all set up, and it's looking really good because I really like this page with the whole icon and the picture of the cover photo behind it, which you can also change. If you want to make a new post, you just come just like the way you create your normal post. Just come to what is on your mind. You put your content, you put your pictures, then boom, you are all way done. So now the next thing is I'll be showing you some few settings to get your page really ready and looking really nice. But before we go further, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your subscription means a lot to us and it's going to keep us going. Like this video, comment on it, and if you have set up your page too and you like to share with me, you can just snap a picture of it. Some of the followers or people commenting on this page can also see it and follow you. So furthermore, that we are going to go into the settings. Now that our page is fully set up, for you to do some key settings that's going to help your page grow fast, go to manage. So manage is where you see, we can see on the left side of the screen is your professional dashboard where you can see your page, the kind of content you create, your audience. If you go to your audience, you can see when you have at least 100 followers, you'll be able to see more info about your audience. So you can see the kind of people that are following your page. This is where you run your advert. There's going to be a full video on how you can run a Facebook advert that is going to bring sale. There are so many online teachers about Facebook marketing, but most of it don't convert. But I'll be showing you how to actually get conversion on your ad manager. So we can see if you want to invite people to connect, you can come here. You can see the level of your progress. You can earn achievements by creating more reels, inspirational of your events, your page access. So this is where you can have like your professional dashboard that you can see every key thing you need. So I'm going to just quickly go back to our page now. So another key thing you need to go to is your settings. So when you go on settings, you can see your notification. You can turn on any key notification you need. Probably if you want, when you get your new followers, you want to turn on notification if you join a group. So these are the key activities that you have when you click on your setting and privacy. So this is where you set all your preferences, your audience. Probably if you want to look at people, allow others to share your posts, it should be ticked. Allow others to view and leave review on your page, it should also be ticked. Review tags before add to your posts. You need to go through all your settings and look at it. Probably want to look at blocking some of your users that might just write negative comments. Just go through it, play with all this part of it. Then you can also add a payment method, but this will be in detail when we do our the full course on Facebook ad marketing. Then you look at your privacy, you can access all our informations are there. Share it with your friends. You can also come to this part and look at any other features you want to add, depending. Probably you want group, you want events to show, you want people to book. Facebook has recommended all of this for you based on your niche and the dashboard you have chosen. Then this is where you see your likes and your followers. And this Meta Business Suite is what we'll be looking at in our next video to introduce you into how to now run adverts on your Facebook page. So all your followers, don't forget, they are your organic follower. But for you to get more followers, for you to get sales on your page, you need to also have inorganic followers. So leveraging on both your organic and inorganic follower will set your Facebook business page to success. I'm sure you've enjoyed this video, you've learned a lot. Then you can confidently set up your own Facebook business page. And if you need any other help, you can drop comments, you can private chat us, and we'll be happy to attend to you and to respond to you. Please subscribe once again, follow us for more videos, and this time next week we'll be having a full course on how to run adverts and an effective and successful one on your Facebook page. So I'm happy to see you get on to your Facebook page. Create one today and start sharing with your friends for them to follow you. Thank you so much, and see you.